I'm Katy. This is Hattersley in East Manchester. I'm an artist and I church planted here with my husband about a year ago into St Barnabas, which is the church on the estate. So this is where the Bonfire Night painting was of. This is where we have the big Hattersley bonfire every year. So Bonfire Night was pretty raucous, which was very exciting. There's a huge community turnout, which is probably the most you see everyone in one place in the year. So for us, that was the first time we'd seen everyone out of their houses, which was lovely. It was really exciting, but very hectic. A feeling of sort of slight danger, maybe. A lot of people climbing very high on bonfires. And there was just this moment where I was watching Eva and she was completely caught up in something transcendent, and no one around her had necessarily noticed it, but she was sort of caught there, and my dad had entered into her space and they were just standing there, and there was a moment, it was a moment of stillness in a very wild and hectic evening, and it really felt like the presence of God was there in that moment for me. And the painting was about trying to capture that sense of stillness and Jesus' stillness even within all of the chaos that was about. The process of making art in Hattersley has been all about finding Jesus, the conviction that he is already here. He already loves these people. He's already been working here long before we were invited or called to join him. And I want to play treasure hunting and find him and put that on paper.